Ready to transform your Android device into the ultimate portable entertainment hub? First, download the Stremio app directly from the Stremio website. As it's not typically available on the Google Play Store, this ensures you get the latest version. Once downloaded, tap the installation file and follow the prompts, granting any necessary permissions to allow installation from unknown sources if required. Upon launching Stremio, you will be greeted with its user-friendly interface, where you can navigate the app using the bottom navigation bar. The Discover section showcases trending movies and TV shows. The magic of Stremio lies in its add-ons. Tap the board icon, then Community Add-ons to explore a vast library of streaming sources. To install an add-on, simply tap the Install button next to it and Stremio will add it to your library. Now, select a movie or show. Choose your preferred streaming source from the options provided by your installed add-ons and start watching. With Stremio on your Android device, you've unlocked a world of endless entertainment possibilities right at your fingertips.